Pero gumandang boses niya. Siguro maraming airwaves. Alam mo yun? Mas nakakatulog na siya ng mahimbing. Yep. So, big change talaga. Yun lang sacrifice. Kasi nga sa tingnan mo, pag mag-Tagalog ako, ganyan magsalita si Jelana. Tagalog. Oo. Bata pa lang, snores na. Correct. Oh. I do slowly. Ayan na. So, Jelana, gustong-gusto itong game.
I'm going to put it on my hand.
Okay. Jelana, let's not put... Ayan.
Oh, look, dreams.
Okay, game. So, yeah. Ready? See, I'll touch it, it's gonna slow down. I just touch it, it's gonna go down. Oh, don't! We're doing magic. So if you touch it, slow down, it's gonna slow down. See?
Oh, okay.
Remember, it's like magic.
Yeah.
Oh, don't. Let's save it. It's gonna go to the floor. You have to wait. Yan.
What if I was setting it on present?
You wanna, later, we're doing the hours. Gusto na, naghihintay siya, gusto na niya buksan yung present niya. Wow, you're so strong. You did that? Ayan, presents na lang. Ayan.
And Saturn!
Who gave you your present? Is that Santa Claus? Do you believe in Santa Claus, Jelana?
What?
Do you think there's Santa Claus?
What?
Who give you your presents? Who? Oh! Santa Claus daw.
Santa sauce!
Santa Claus.
Santa sauce.
Oo nga. Ayan. Sana all. Dati wala ako niyan, Char.
Oh,
Dati.
wait, what is?
Wala na masyadong gift ngayon. Parang ano na. Parang ang gift pang bata na, di ba?
Look.
Oh, wow. Ayan, thank you for subscribing. Ayan ha. Daming nag-subscribe ha. Ayan. Ayan guys. So.
Oh, wait.
What?
I do not get that. Give me that.
Oh, don't. Oh, you want that? Okay, hold on. Here. Ayan. Oh, you're gonna put that one? Ayan. Thank you sa regalong subscribe. Okay, so smile, Jelana.
Look. It's almost. A little bit more. That.
Dami yun ng lusob ah. Busy kalulusob kay Jelana. Okay, show it to them. Show it to them what you're doing. So now, you're gonna put this one. This one.
No, it's on the floor.
Oh, this one. Okay, here you go. Hello, hello. Oh. Oh. Slow down, slow down.
You hold this.
Okay.
So.
Rain. Rain. Put your hands. Slow down.